All right, welcome back. So here's the second video to kind of navigate through Google Classroom, Zoom, and our calendar. So I'm back at our homepage. I'm going to go to the classwork tab. Again, I prefer that just because it's organized by topic. And along the top, we have the topic of important, all the things that you need to have access to on a regular basis. The Zoom link, the distance learning slideshow, which all of you should be completing this week, and then the calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. I'm going to switch over to my tab here in just a moment. All right, and that should be popping up on your screen. Okay, so here is the Honors 10 District Learning Student Calendar. So some things that you need to get used to. So on the top of the calendar is the standards, the things that will always stand true and be reliable. So yellow days, Monday, Wednesdays, are going to be my morning classes. Okay, so third hour, I just have third hour in the morning. Then blue will be my afternoon classes, which is fifth and sixth hour. So these are your times on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So third hour on Monday and Tuesday, we are Zooming from 2 to 2:30. And then Tuesday, fifth hour from 12:30 to 1. And then sixth hour, 1:15 to 1:45. I have within this calendar, I have the link to my Zoom. Okay. I also have a link here. And then per the usual, always on Google Classroom, I will have the link living there as well. Let's go ahead and go through some of the bullets. The due by noon assignments apply to everyone every day. So this may not be true in all of our classes, but for our class, because of Tale of Two Cities, how large it is and how we want to keep rolling, every day there are due dates for everyone. So whatever it says is due by noon that day, that's due for everyone, whether you're yellow or blue. So please pay close attention. Okay. As you zoom down, you will see that I have our colored days. So Monday through Thursday are the afternoons where you will be live with your teachers. Friday is a day for homework, reading, and Zoom office hours. I have office hours from 10 to 10:30 for all my Honors 10 students. So I'll open up my classroom on Zoom and you can log in and ask questions, check in with me, whatever it is that you need to do. I will also be accessible through email per the usual, but please give me 24 hours to reply to you just because this is all new and we're just getting used to everything. Okay, let's scroll down and look at our reading and homework expectations. Remember, we're annotating at least once for an author's craft sticky note per reading assignment. We are going to keep up with our digital character motif tracker, which I've posted to Google Classroom and we'll talk about in class in our first Zoom sessions. There will be 3 checks for that, so pay attention to that. I will continue to do optional reading notes for you. I want you guys to keep those up, and there may be times where I check them for an extra opportunity. And then finally, we will have reading checks posted to Google Classroom. They're going to be open from 8:10 a.m. to 12 p.m. the day that the reading is due. And it'll either be a Google form that you'll submit, which we're used to, or it'll be a Google Doc that you will submit to Google Classroom and turnitin.com for reliability. So let's just scroll down and look at what we've got going on. So we don't have any school these first 3 days. We're going to start on Thursday, my afternoon classes. We will meet in Zoom and we will discuss all of these different things. Okay. On Friday, homework. Just so you guys know, I'm accepting any late work from quarter 3 until 3:20 p.m. on Friday. After that, I can't accept any further. So please get everything turned into that spot on Google Classroom. Then underneath, these are the homework assignments for everybody. So write Unit 14 vocab and notebook for the next class and complete the Zoom on Google Classroom for the next class. And then I also have my Zoom office hours linked right there for you every Friday so that you know you can come on in from 10 to 10:30 to see how things are going. All right, so due by noon. This means no matter if you're blue or yellow, everybody on Monday the 30th will write down Unit 14 vocab and they will complete the Zoom on Google Classroom. Everybody on Tuesday will have read and annotated Book 1, Chapters 3 and 4, and taken the quiz on Google Classroom. Okay. What varies every day is what we were talking about in the Zoom sessions. Okay, so on Monday, this is what's happening with my morning classes. On Tuesday, right, afternoon classes, so on and so forth. So those sessions will be different depending on what class period you're in, but due by noon is for everybody. Speaking of quizzes, we are going to replace vocab quizzes with GimKit practices. We are only going to focus at one unit at a time, and I'll post this soon, okay? But you're going to reach $1 million in order to get your full points on the reading quiz, which is a pretty awesome opportunity for you to learn and to continue getting your points that you enjoy. So again, this calendar is going to be a really great thing. If you have any questions, join my Zoom. Okay. You can also email me and I'll get back to you in 24 hours. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day.